What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rio / Car Life 99, and we're out here with a new video, a little do-it-yourself project on the Maxima. Today, as the title states, we are installing some wheel spacers to try to widen out the track and see if I can get some better fitment. But as you can see on here, there's a lot of fender, and I want a wider stance for sure. So we're gonna be doing that today, getting this thing looking like a wide body. New drilled and slotted rotors I put on not long ago. And I'm gonna show you guys some spacers I got. So we got these Titan wheel accessory. You won't zoom in there, but Titan wheel accessory, hub centric, 38mm, which is like 1.5 inch spacer. Got it long enough so that would clear the stock studs, so I wouldn't have to mess with the studs. And since these are so far, I am kind of worried I might damage the fenders, but we're gonna see. But these come with their own built-in studs. Very solid material. I think they're aluminum, but I'm not quite sure. It didn't say the specs on the website, but they're very, very solid, very heavy. And we're gonna see how they work out. Alright guys, so next what you want to do is you want to clean the surface that your spacer is going to be sitting on. These brakes are pretty new. I just installed these not long ago, a couple 100 miles ago, I guess. It's good to have a wire brush. Unfortunately, I don't have one, so I have a nice tire brush to get some dirt off the surface and brake parts cleaner. I did wash the car, so it's kind of wet, but and I also have a microfiber cloth here. So we're just gonna wipe it down a little bit. Spray some brake parts cleaner on there. Make sure our surface is nice and decently clean anyway before we go ahead and put the spacers on. Another thing, guys, you want to make sure you grab you a little thing of anti-seize, because I mean, you never know how long you might have your spacers on there until you get I don't know, different wheels, or maybe down the road you get wheels with a different offset and you need to take the spacers back off. The last thing you want is for the lug nuts to be seized on there. So I have a little thing of anti-seize here, park store anti-seize. Thread lubricant. This is like a high temp copper formula. You only want to just put a little on the studs. That way your stuff is not seizing up later down the road when you want to take them back off. Alright guys, so we got the wheel spacer on and everything looks really good. Fits nice and snug on here. We're getting ready to tighten everything down, and we're going to see how it looks with the wheels on it. And we're gonna get all the other sides done. Alright, so spacer's on. One thing you want to make sure you do is make sure you torque it down properly. Torque wrench. 1mm on the end. And we got this bad boy set. You should have it for Nissan. Like these Maximas, Altimas, and most Nissans really is going to be at around 83 pounds. Just make sure you follow, if you're installing spacers on your car, make sure you follow the correct torque specs for your car. That way your wheels don't go flying off when going down the road. So we got them all torqued down. just going to apply a little bit of anti-seize on here. We're going to throw our wheel back on. Like I said, torque down to 83 pounds, which is the manufacturer recommendation for the car. There was no torque specs provided with the spacers, so, but the stock studs required 83 pounds, and it should be good with 83 pounds on the spacer lug studs as well. We're ready to put the wheel on. Alright guys, so we got the spacer on. I'm gonna get the other 3 on, and then I'm gonna let you guys see how it looks, and hopefully all goes well, so stay tuned please. Alright guys, we got all 4 spacers on. The fitting is looking really good and really aggressive. Just a couple things to mention. Just always, if you're installing spacers, like me, if you want a more aggressive fitment and you don't have the right wheel offset, a couple of tips is just make sure you follow the specifications either on the spacer, or if there are no instructions, like when torquing them down, make sure you use the factory specs for your vehicle. In my case, it's 83 pounds. So and you always want to torque it in a star pattern. That way, just to be on the safe side. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what they look like real quick. That's gonna do it for this little do-it-yourself video, fam. Take it down the road in a bit here and see if I have any rubbing issues. But so far, I'm very happy with the fitment. Got other stuff planned for this car, but that's one step further there. One thing I want to do is change out the front lip, or splitter rather. Change out the front splitter and actually put a front lip on there and pair it with a splitter. So got a lot planned for this car, and that's just another mod that's complete there. So stay tuned to the channel. Look forward to stay tuned for future videos, projects on the Maxima, and also other car meet videos. I still be going to car events, so stay tuned for that. You are watching Rio/Car Life 99.